Howdy folks, TJ here. A little bit of an unboxing today. Thank you very much, Jay Mundy. He messaged me, I don't know, a couple weeks ago and said he wanted to send me a little package. So I offered my address and a little bit of a belated Christmas present, I guess. I get to open something after Christmas. How cool is that? No idea what's in here. I know he had some older Speccy stuff that he was looking to move on, and so maybe some of that's in here. But thank you very much. It's very nice of you to send some goodies off to the United States of America from where he is up north of me. So I did open the box on the top. That's all I did. In fact, the box is so well packed, I couldn't see the lines of the box, so I'm sitting there trying to cut the top open, and I got these two sides open, and I couldn't figure out this side. And then I started cutting myself, so I said, screw it, I'm just opening up the damn bottom. This thing's packaged like a tank. Very well done. So, let's open her up and see what's inside. My kitchen table's all, my wife's starting to take down some Christmas ornaments, so my kitchen table's all packed with stuff. I don't like to take down anything Christmas until after New Year's. Otherwise, I keep telling her it brings you bad luck. And look what happened in 2020. She started taking down like right after Christmas. Look what she did. She didn't do it. But yeah, I keep fooling around with her. That doesn't sound right. Okay, styrofoam. Oh, cassette. Oh. Taz word, Taz print. I bet you this is for the 2068. Well, there's some writing in here. September 10th, 1975. Interesting. Well, there's a cassette, and it says Taz print on there, and there is the number 2068 next to it, so I bet it's for that. So cool. I'll put this stuff over here. Kind of grab the looser stuff first. Screen dump. So this looks like it has another word Taz in it. Oh, graphics program. Fun things that looks like I need to explore on my 2068. Cool. More cassettes. Oh. Hey! Sinclair QL. Little booklet or a little microcard. Cool. You know, this is perfect timing. I need these. Thank you very much. Awesome. I've got a QL. Looks like Timex Sinclair keyboard tutorial turtle graphics. This one's for the personal color computer. All sorts of stuff in here. Tasman interface software. I saw that word a lot, Tasman, for 2068 stuff in my explorations. Ghosts and Goblins, feud heavy on the magic, sacred armor of Anti-Reid, Fighting Warrior Scooby-Doo, Spectrum Games. For modem. For modem. I saw the word for mode. So this says for modem on it. And I think the packing list said something about a modem, so I don't know quite yet what's in store for here, but cool. Oh, look at this nifty device. Has the word Tasman Printer Interface 2068. Sweet. So I've never connected up. Actually, I've got a printer, but not one of these older interfaces. So I'm going to have to see if any of my old printers. I think I might have. This might be a parallel, I'm guessing. Doesn't say on it, but I'll have to explore it. So this looks like an interface for a 2068, probably. Yep, TS-2068. Sweet. I'm going to have to bring my 2068 in here. As you can see, I'm getting jam-packed with stuff. I need to maybe add another desk over here so I completely enclose myself in and I can't get out. This thing's a little heavier, so let's take this out. No idea what this is. Maybe we'll do that last. Centronics printer interface. Oh, sweet, for the QL. Nice. Let's open up this bad boy. As you saw in my recent videos, I've got that QL VGA, so I actually have nice video now. So being able to do future printing will be cool. Let's check this out. Centronics printer interface. And this looks like a serial kind of a... I'll have to check my QL and see what I have. I don't know if this is the right port on the back, but I've got the QL right here, so I'll have to look at that and sneak a peek. Sweet. Put this all back in here. I don't want to lose anything. Maybe I'll put it in proper afterwards. Because I still got some stuff to go through here. Oh. Tape. So this looks like a TS-2068 cartridge of some kind. Not quite sure what it is, but it says RAND user 0 out 244-3. Trying to see Zebra Systems. So I don't know if this is one of those ROM cartridges to allow Spectrum. Not quite sure, but I'll have to explore that. This one I want to put back in here and protect. I don't want to drop this or anything. Yeah, some more styrofoam. Looks like a few magazines. See what we've got. Amiga action, so he knows that I also have Amiga stuff, so cool. And info for Amiga users. Sweet. Some reading material. And then there's this little box. Piece of paper. I'm got it upside down. Spectrum doubler. They said it couldn't be done. Spectrum doubler is the result in request, blah, 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 blah. So I'm not quite sure what spectrum doubler is. Let's... Cassette tape. And plugs into the back of the Speccy. Looks like there's a little lead out here. I'm going to have to read what the spectrum doubler is. I'm not quite sure. And I don't want to sit here and read it on here. I'll read it and figure out what the heck it is. Cool. Spectrum doubler. And then there's this thing. I'm going to guess this is modem, because it did say something about modem. Yep, that's what it looks like. Interesting metal case. So, phone plug. Looks like a TS-2068 modem. This has got to be a Zebra Systems item. This looks very Zebra Systems to me. I'll have to read up on it, but this looks like an old modem for a TS-2068. Cool. Well, thank you very much, Jay Mundy. That's very cool. Now I get to read through all the stuff and figure out what it is I have and how I can try to test it and see if it all works. So, thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoyed this little impromptu unboxing of a little bit of a Christmas goodies after Christmas. So, cool. Thanks very much. See ya.